Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download and play Fortnite on your iPhone or iOS device. Alright, so let's begin with the video. And the first thing we need to do is head over to your mobile phone, and usually to download a new application. We would just head over to the App Store and download it from here. But unfortunately, there is no way to directly download Fortnite from the App Store. So there's kind of a workaround that we can use to get this working. So let's just head out of the App Store. And the first thing we need to do is head over to an internet browser. I'm just going to load up Safari here on my device. And in the address bar at the bottom, we're just going to type in xbox.com/play and hit enter. So from this website, we just need to go ahead and select Fortnite from this list of games. If it doesn't come up straight away, you can just use the search feature at the top here and search for Fortnite and hit enter. Then go ahead and select Fortnite. So just go ahead and select this Get Ready to Play button, and this will pop up with a screen basically telling us that we need to add cloud gaming to our home screen in order to play. So to do this, we just need to tap on the share button at the bottom down. Here, scroll down to the bottom and select Add to Home Screen. This is going to add the cloud gaming app to our home menu. So go ahead and press Add in the top right here. Now as you can see, if I come back over to my phone's home screen, we now have this new application Cloud Gaming. Just go ahead and select the app to launch it up. And once again, we're going to head over to the search feature and just search for Fortnite and hit enter. Click on the Fortnite game, and this time we'll have this new button to sign in. Go ahead and select that. And from here you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. This can be just a standard Outlook account or an Xbox account. So once you've signed in with your Microsoft account, it will start loading, and you will see play button here if this is available in your region. You just have to tap on this, and you will be able to play Fortnite on iPhone. So that's basically how you can download and play Fortnite on your iPhone or iOS device. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.